Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into the world of checkout elements and order forms inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Specifically, they just released the ability to go in and customize your checkout elements, which basically means that you can go in and add specific things to your checkout experience to design it however you want. So anyways, with that said, let's go ahead and dive into my screen here. I'll show you what you need to know, how to get to the right area, and all that fun stuff. First things first, I have to head over to the pop-up just because that's where we have the checkout on this page. But in your case, head to wherever that checkout element is, or if you do not already have one on the page, just go and add one by clicking on add element anywhere on the page that you're looking at. And then from there, just type in checkout on the right-hand side of the screen. Right at that point, you should see an option for checkout, and the one we're looking for is this bad boy right here. All right. With that added, though, you'll be able to actually hover around the element once it's added to the page, and you'll see that the add element button appears again. So you can essentially add different elements to the element itself. Right. As an example, if I want to add a headline here right above the input field for the email, phone number, first name, and last name, I can go over here, add an element, and I can literally add anything I want to that specific area. For example, if I want to add an image, I technically can go over here, add an image. I can go in and add some bottom padding, right? Maybe some top padding. I don't know. We'll match that just for look's sake. There we go. Now you can do the exact same thing that we just did right here in between all the other existing components and areas of the checkout element, right? So if we hover down in between like the select product and the forms right here, you can go and add another element. You can do it for the product select here. There's one area that actually I found that you can't add anything, which is going to be the billing information area. Right, that area seems to be sacred for whatever reason, but everywhere else around that seems to be fully customizable and manipulatable. So just use that to your advantage. Go in and customize and curate the experience that you want your customer to have while checking out on your order forms. And that's it. If you have any questions around anything that I covered here today, make sure to let me know. Or if you have any questions around ClickFunnels Classic or 2.0, feel free to put a comment down below and I'll point you in the right direction. All right. With that said, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next video.